Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video is about how to build floating shelves. So this room I recently moved into. You see my desk when I'm editing the videos on YouTube. Here is my chest of drawers, and above this I need two floating shelves, white, so they're gonna be looks nice on this gray wall. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to build and attach to the wall, basically to the two walls, a floating shelf. Obviously, to attach it to the wall, I'm not gonna use any brackets because this is gonna look ugly. They'll be the easiest way, but looks ugly. So there'll be just two shelves standing out from this grey wall, and they're gonna be painted white. So here are some materials I'm gonna use in these shelves, in this project. This is 4 boards, 4 MDF 12mm boards. They are identical, 100 by 35 centimeters. Also I've got wooden buttons. I'm gonna build a frame for the shelves from this. They are 32 by 32 mil, and I've got some MDF strips as well, which are the same width as these buttons. So I've got 4 of them. I'm gonna cut it to size later. And also we need some rope plugs to fix the frame and the shelf to the wall with the screws. We need wood filler to fill all the gaps, and the paint to paint the shelves. So to fix this frame together, I'm using 5x60 screws and also 4mm drill. So as we've got the frame built, now we need to fix it to the wall. Obviously we need to use a spirit level, mark a straight line, check the height that we want to fix the shelf on, and obviously use some screws, press drill it here and fix it to the wall, to two walls. we've got our frame fixed to the wall. It's a little bit shaking on this, especially at this point, but trust me, when you put 2 layers of MDF, one on top, one on the bottom, screw it all around to this frame, so there will be no movement or just a little one. And these strips are to fill the gap all around. So these 2 MDF boards are fixed. As you see, there is just a little movement, but that's fine. I made some mistake with my measurements. Basically, these strips are a little bit not wide enough, so there's a gaps. But anyway, I'm gonna fill all of this edge with the wood filler, so nobody notice. So now it's time to screw this as well into these buttons. So the shelves are fitted. Now let's do some filling. I'm gonna fill all the screw holes and also the whole edge in front and on the side. To do it, I'm gonna use wood filler. This kind of stuff is a round seal wood filler. It's a quick dry, 5 minutes, and you can sand it down. This is a 2-part wood filler. We've got this container with actually wood filler and obviously the hardener. The proportions you need to mix, the ratio, I can't tell you exactly, but I need quite a lot. So this is the wood filler, and then you need to add and mix some of this hardener. This should be enough for this amount. This is the same color, so when you mix you can't see if it's mixed or not. With this wood filler you need to work fast, as this is really quick dry. Sometimes when you add too much hardness, so after 1 minute it's just like a stone. So this should be enough. And as you see, I need to fill all of this edge. Probably I need to do it twice, because once is never enough. But when I sand it down, it's gonna look fantastic. two floating shelves are finished now. I used 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of finish paint to paint it all around. Obviously I couldn't avoid to paint the wall as well a bit, so I used a grey paint to cover the marks. So that's how it looks. Let's check the strength now. So I've got here an 80 kilo tool transformer. I'm gonna place it on both of the shelves and check if there's any damage. Maybe they'll be cracked, maybe they fall down. Let's have a look. Nothing. So as you see, I put the transformer on it, 18 kilo transformer, nothing happened. So they're quite tough. You can put a lot of books on it, printer, even the transformer, and they're gonna stay, nothing happened. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you for watching.